very nice today on the 9th of May 2025. But there are a lot of these deltas here, of course. This is on Tornipolku. Some stick and floor stick is see here in Tornipolku, one of the suburbs of Porvoo, Finland. USD is 4,320 grams. It was built by Kone in 1971, could have been a B6 originally, around 2004. Got the pictures. So let's just wait for it for 6 months. On the way down you can escape.
Yeah.
It's a bit dark inside.
Yeah.
And I think it sounds like bottom driven.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
But of course, from the serial number, we can try and see if this was MP6 or MP8 originally.
Yeah.
Which one was more likely.
Yeah.
But I would guess MP6 was more likely.
Yeah.
Towards the same, so
Yeah.
the second side. And the alarm is in the shafts.
Yeah.
This is stocked off without anything.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks so much.
Tornipolku 2 has 3 similar virtues. You can film them later. That's
Yeah.